Are you seeking information about how to make money online? Then check out these great tips. Given the variety of money-making methods in existence, working online has tremendous popularity. Want to get started in this new field? The advice you're about to read can help you find out just how you can start making money online. Watch out for scams. Not every opportunity will be a good one. Read reviews of jobs you are willing to do prior to starting it. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. Clearly, with the help of solid advice, it can be easy to make an income online. You just need to be dedicated and have access to the internet to begin right away. Now just get started on your plan. Student loan,